Morning everybody. So I've been getting a lot of questions on how do you clean the solar panels. So I thought I'd put together the equipment I use here. Just a simple brush connects to the hose bib line, aluminum poles that are hollow because I tried using PVC pipe at 20 feet full of water, comes back and gives you a nice little scar. So I went to the aluminum panels, or the aluminum poles here, with a brush cleaning kit, and I'll just do a quick little something on how I keep the panels clean, because boy do they need it. As an example, there they are. So I'll show you a before and after, and I'll do the shed over there as well. So here we go. There you go, 30 feet long. And then we'll do the water. Okay, so the water line is on. Show you what I did. At the head, it's just a quick connect for the water to flow into the brush. The brush is at a 90-degree angle. I just found that to be the best for the angle I have to work with. I'll show you. And I tied off the hose to the quick connects to keep the hose in line with the pole, is all I did. And then all we do is hook it up to the water. All right, water on. And then as I need to, I can turn the water on at the valve. And we're ready to wash. Let me set up and we'll give a quick idea of how that happens. And there you go, clean panels. Pretty straightforward. I'll just show you a quick setup of doing the shed as well. And we'll finish the job just like that. That's how you clean the solar panels, at least in my case.